Hello, Calli. You did some research about 3 mathematicians from Nigeria. How did you get personally interested in these 3 mathematicians from Nigeria?
I think a lot of their accomplishments speak for themselves. A lot of them were first in their field, in specifically Nigeria.
We will start first with Chike, and you said that he started off working in around the 1960s. So what can you tell us about his life and his biography?
Well, when Nigeria separated from the UK on the 1st of October 1960, he just done a PhD in mathematics, and he had to take a period of time off because of the political instability of the country at the time. But yeah, he was the first mathematician to get a PhD in Nigeria.
So he got his PhD from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, and what did he work on in his PhD thesis?
He specifically did about nonlinear second-order differential equations.
Mm-hmm. So when he had completed his PhD, he came back to Nigeria, and you said that he initially first became involved with politics.
Yeah.
Do you know a bit about this part of his biography?
Yes, he was one of the people who campaigned for Nigeria to become independent from the UK.
So, but eventually he became one of the first professors in mathematics in Nigeria.
Yeah.
What aspect of his research do you think would be relevant for our mathematics program?
I definitely think him studying second-order differential equations could be included in level 5, and I think it'd flow in really well, and it'd be nice to notice someone who works in that field.
The next mathematician you work on is called James Ezeilo, and he is actually the first professor of mathematics in Nigeria.
Yes, he was.
So what can you say about him?
Well, again, he was around a similar time to Chike, but he became a professor before him, but he got his PhD slightly after him because of Chike's break in teaching in mathematics. So.
And similar to Chike, he worked actually on differential equations as well, right?
Yes, he did. He worked on ordinary differential equations of the 3rd order.
ODEs of 3rd order is quite an exotic topic, to be honest. I think I heard about 2nd order equations and even about 4th order equations, but I think 3rd order is quite exotic. The third researcher you looked at is Olabisi Ugbebor. As far as I understand, she is the first female mathematics PhD in Nigeria. Is that correct?
Yes, she was. And she was also one of the first female professors in mathematics in Nigeria. And she had quite an interest in life, and she was a very powerful and inspiring woman.
She went to London to study at UCL, and then she did her PhD at Queen Mary University. And after her PhD, she returned to Nigeria to become one of the first professors of mathematics. So, in mathematics, which area did she work on?
She actually did quite a bit of different bits and things. She did some statistics, which I think would be interesting in some of the year 1 subjects that we do, for example, data exploration and knowledge. I think it'd be really interesting to mention a female mathematician, especially one of colour, especially in statistics and things like that, since it's such a male-dominated field.
And finally, when you look at mathematics in Nigeria today, how did mathematics develop since the 1960s?
It's definitely had a bit of a boom, and it's become quite a big place for higher education in Africa, especially West Africa.
So today, Nigeria is a bit of a mathematical powerhouse in Africa.
Yes, definitely, in terms of higher education.
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.